Dassies, also known as rock hyraxes, scientific name, Procavia capensis, are small, furry mammals native to Africa and the Middle East. Despite their rodent-like appearance, dassies are more closely related to elephants and manatees due to shared evolutionary ancestry. They typically inhabit rocky areas where they can easily find crevices to hide from predators. These animals have a unique adaptation in their feet, specialized rubbery pads with sweat glands that help them grip onto steep, rocky surfaces.